this video even starts, I want to give a big thanks to my dad for getting me some new gloves. If you did not see my crash video, my gloves got destroyed. So thank you very much, Dad, for the new gloves. What's going on, guys? Well, that was a really bad wheelie to start off today. So today we're going to be doing a couple little top speed runs on the Grom. I know a lot of people lie on the internet on how fast the Groms are. So this is going to be a video on like actual top speed on the Grom. So let's see what this little guy can do. Alright, this is a pretty flat road. It does uphill a little bit. I'm averaging 52 to 53 miles an hour. That's pretty accurate for a little uphill on the Grom. Your average speed is going to be like 55 miles an hour to be really realistic. The fastest I've gone on the Grom is 73 miles an hour, and that was down in Florida. Like, I don't know if the air is different down there or something, but I did hit 73 down in Florida and it felt pretty good. Oh, and the only performance mod I have on the Grom is an exhaust. I do have handlebars and rear sets and a sub cage and all that stuff, but that's not really performance. If anything, that's just adding more weight to it. Don't you guys just absolutely love traffic? It's like the best thing ever. It's so peaceful. It's great. I love it. Go, 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 go. I'm going for it. Oh, I'm going for it. The thing is, I do hit 60 miles an hour every single time I ride. That's not your average speed. So the Grom is not fast. Okay, guys, if you think you're getting a fast little quick bike, no, it is not fast at all. But hear me out. Grom, this motorcycle has been the most fun motorcycle I've ever had. I've had a supermoto, I've had street bikes, dirt bikes. Those all motorcycles you can have fun, but this right here is the most fun I have had on a motorcycle. And one of the big things with the Grom is the Grom community. Like, some of the guys are awesome. They're so much fun to ride with. Right here, it's different. So you will not have this much fun going. You will not go. You guys will not ever go this slow and have this much fun on any other bike, any other car, anything, okay? If you're going slow, this is the way to do it. I wonder what's straight ahead. This is kind of this is actually dangerous to go. Wait. Wow, I just shot straight across 58. That's first time for everything. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and simple, but there's nothing wrong with that sometimes, you know? I do have a really good video idea. I think it's going to be pretty funny, pretty good. Coming soon, so make sure you stick around for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh God. Woo!